Neglect syndrome, also known as hemispatial neglect or unilateral neglect, is a neurological condition characterized by a failure to attend, respond, or orient to stimuli presented on one side of the body or environment. It commonly occurs after damage to the right hemisphere of the brain, particularly the parietal lobe. Individuals with neglect syndrome typically ignore or have reduced awareness of sensory information from the affected side of their body or the environment. This can manifest as a lack of attention, exploration, or recognition of objects, people, or events on the neglected side. For example, a person with right neglect may fail to dress the left side of their body, eat from the right side of their plate, or recognize people approaching from their left side. Neglect syndrome can affect various sensory modalities, including vision, hearing, touch, and spatial awareness. It is not a result of a primary sensory deficit but rather a disruption in attentional processing and spatial awareness. The precise mechanisms underlying neglect are not fully understood but are believed to involve impairments in the brain's attentional and perceptual systems. Rehabilitation strategies for neglect syndrome often focus on encouraging patients to actively engage and explore the neglected side, using various techniques such as visual scanning exercises, prism adaptation, and multisensory stimulation. Occupational therapists and other healthcare professionals play a crucial role in helping individuals with neglect syndrome regain functional independence and improve their quality of life.